Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video we'll be comparing Google Gemini with Apple AI powered Siri. So who's a smarter assistant in 2025? Let's compare their features, intelligence, and of course the real world performances. So starting with Google Gemini. Google's most advanced AI model is Google Gemini. It's built for deep reasoning, conversations, and even handling images and videos. It powers Google Assistant, search, and many more things. On the other hand, if we look at Apple Siri with Apple Intelligence, it's basically getting a major upgrade, combining on-device processing with ChatGPT level AI and for all the natural responses and smarter features. So if we compare about features and capabilities, and Apple AI basically has is deeply integrated with iOS and allowing app control, personal task automation, and privacy-focused AI features. But if you compare Gemini, it can basically summarize all your email, generate images, and translate languages and works all across your app. And I would have shown you how it works by signing in. Just go here, sign in, put in your Gmail over here, press next, and you would be good to go. So comparing these things on real world performances, and if we talk about Siri, Siri is basically a really faster for Apple users since it works offline for basic tasks and also integrates deeply with your iPhone, iPad, Mac, and whatnot. But it is still catching up with raw AI power because come on, Apple will take time. On the other hand, if we talk about the real world use of Gemini, it is better at complex queries, problem solving, and understanding all the context. And obviously, it's great for research, productivity, and creative tasks. So, if you ask me which one is better, I'll say if you want an AI that's versatile, powerful, and great for research, go with Google Gemini. But if you are an Apple user who uses iPhone, iPad, Mac, or anything like that, and you value your privacy and also the seamless iOS integration and offline AI and all those things, then Apple Intelligence obviously go for a Siri. And I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.